So it is 3 minutes until 8 a.m. This is Highway 348. It is so sick driving up this mountain. If I had like a sports car or a motorcycle, I would definitely want to bring it here. This road is sweet. I'm gonna be heading up to Vogel State Park today, checking that out. We are gonna be checking that out today. I already ate breakfast and I'm just gonna make it up this mountain and go from there. But one more time, this view. Damn. All right, I made it. Vogel State Park. Already a little stream. This place looks very pretty. And it looks like there is a beach over there. Hell yeah. This place is pretty sweet. I might go, over here, there's like a hiking trail. I might go over that way and I think it'll lead me around over there. I don't think it's all that long, but I'll probably head over there, check it out. For the most part though, this place is not really that big. You could pretty much, I pretty much rode my bicycle around it already, as you've seen. Definitely worth coming here though. This place is really, really pretty. And then the drive to come here is just great. Definitely worth coming. All right, that was that trail. I can't even begin to tell you what the name of that is. So Yeah, I'm not gonna say it. But that was pretty cool. Nothing too crazy, pretty casual walk. It was pretty cool seeing the waterfall, so that was definitely worth checking out. So now I'm gonna be heading over to the other trail. I think there's only two. There might be more, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I'm gonna check that one out. Probably like, what the heck is this dude talking to himself in the woods for? Weirdo. So probably my favorite state park so far. I got my stuff set up right now so I could do some video work. It's always a good place when there is power. So that's sweet. So I can't wait to come back over here. It's been a blast, and I really do appreciate you guys watching once again. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.